So are credit unions better than banks when it comes to getting business loans? Well, that's exactly what we're about to decode in this training. We're going to take a look at banks, credit unions, the type of loans they provide, which one may be better, and the unique and little known about benefits of working with one versus the other. Along the way, I'm going to give you my best tips and tactics to get the most money at the best terms for your business. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to get you access to our guide with 27 killer ways to get money for your business, even if you think you can't qualify. So we got a lot to cover. Let's dive in. So credit unions versus banks. Is there a difference? Which one's better? Well, let's talk about it. When it comes to banks and credit unions, both of them typically offer business owners the same type of loans and credit lines, and these are provided by SBA. So what happens is a bank or a credit union actually offers a loan, and the loan is actually guaranteed by SBA. So what this means is it means that if you ever get a loan in default and don't pay it back, then SBA guarantees a percentage of that money to be paid back to the bank or credit union. So for example, SBA oftentimes guarantees up to 90%. So this means if a bank gives you a loan for $100,000, you default on the whole thing, well, SBA would give that bank back $90,000 of that $100,000. So because of this guarantee, it minimizes the risk that credit unions and lenders have, and that gives them the ability to offer more business loans and credit lines that are backed by SBA. Now, a lot of banks, a lot of credit unions don't really offer financing to business owners outside of SBA financing because business financing is inherently very risky. And what I mean by that is that business owners have a very large percentage of defaults when it comes to loans because so many business owners don't succeed. So as a result of this, business lending is inherently very risky. And since banks and credit unions are both FDIC insured, this means that they have to be really conservative with their risk. So both banks and credit unions struggle to lend money to business owners if it's not backed by SBA. And this is why the kind of loans you can get from either one are pretty much the exact same, but there is a benefit. There's a benefit of working with credit unions over banks, and what it really comes down to is the relationship that you actually form. So when we looked at COVID and we looked at these PPP loans that came out to business owners, then what we found right from the beginning was that credit unions had a significantly greater chance of getting those loans approved faster than banks, and that's because of the relationships they have with their actual clients. You see, banks usually manage larger amounts of clients than credit unions, so as a result, you don't get the one-on-one preferential kind of treatment that you typically get from credit unions. When you need things done fast, banks aren't the solution, credit unions are way better. When you need that preferential treatment, when you need one-on-one, when you need somebody to spend more time helping you grow your business, credit unions are inherently better in that area than banks by far. So when it comes to getting business loans, they're very similar between banks and credit unions, but when it comes to the kind of treatment that you get, typically you'll find that credit unions are better than banks. Sometimes they even give you a little bit better terms than banks. So some things to consider. So do you want more information on getting money for your business? Well, grab our free guide on 27 killer ways to get money for your business that outlines 27 different ways to get loans and credit lines. You can grab that at creditsuite.com/27 ways. Now, if you'd like to see the money you can get right now for your business, well, give us a call for a free consultation. On that consultation, we'll do a fundability assessment. We'll tell you the things that are preventing you from getting financing right now and help you fix them. And we'll also help you qualify for all the financing, including loans and credit lines you can get right now. And you can get that consultation by giving us a call at 877-600-2487. That's 877-600-2487. Or you can schedule online at creditsuite.com/consult. Did you get value from this training? Make sure you like and subscribe if you did, and keep an eye out for our next training where we talk about more cool ways to get money to grow your business.